Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we got ourselves a 2021 Ram 3500 Limited. Customer wanted the suspension to be color matched. So as you can see, that suspension sticks out, which is exactly what he wanted. So we got our 5 to 6 inch kit. We've got our Kelderman shocks, which are valved to match up the suspension. So the ride on this vehicle is awesome. 5 to 6 inch kit lets us run 37 inch tires. So we've got our Toyo MTs here. We got some 20 inch TIS wheels. So on the 5 to 6 inch kit, we also have our optional radius arm replacements. So what's cool about these is we also, it's not only stronger than the factory ones, we've got the Kelderman badging on there, and then we also keep the eccentric bolt in there, so doing alignment on this kit's a breeze. So the rear suspension on this, we had to make an extremely durable setup. The rear axle on these trucks is like 9750. I mean, it's only maybe 500 pounds less than a 450 Ford. So these 3500 Dodges have a pretty high weight rating on the rear axle. So all of our suspension here is it's like double plating the frame. So the whole suspension is like we built the suspension that could almost carry itself, and then it's mated to the frame. So that's why you see so much white back here, and it goes clear back, almost to the back of the frame. It's double layered where the front trailing arms hook up too. Then obviously we use a little heavier duty sway bar than what comes with the factory. And with any of our suspensions, we're not going to lower the carrying capacity of any of the trucks we do, even if we're doing shoot clear up to a 12-inch lift. So this truck has our Kelderman shocks on it that are they're tuned to the airbags, to the spring rate, which gives you a phenomenal ride. We've got the 3H air control system on it, so he can dump the rear when he pulls his trailer, hooking up to his trailer, I should say. And really smooth riding truck, extremely durable. And this guy's got himself a pretty awesome machine right here. So for the air management control system, we'll remove the spare tire and the hanger, and we'll put that control system under here. We got a couple air tanks under here. We got our Airlift 3H management system, and we've got our dual by air compressors. And really one of the most important things we do with these systems, we put on a dryer that keeps that moisture out. This guy's in Colorado. He's going to have a lot of temperature swings, going to have a lot of freezing days. We don't want him, with something unreliable. So we got our dryer on there. It keeps all the moisture out of the system.